Crocodile means magarmach. Deer means hiran. Dog means kutta. Elephant means hathi. Rhino means gainda. Tiger means bagh. Wolf means bhediya. Bear means bhalu. Buffalo means bhains. Camel means oot. Cat means billy. Cow means guy. Goat means bakri. Horse means ghoda. Komodo dragon means chipkali. Leopard means tendua. Pig means swan. Monkey means bandar. Rabbit means khargosh. Sheep means bher. Turtle means kachua. Dinosaur